Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, failed to format the selected partition 0x80070057. First method is delete partition one by one. Create new partition. Click OK to create system partition also. Second method is boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Diskpart, type List Disk. Type Select disk number. Type List Partition. Type Clean. Turn off and restart installation. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.